Welcome to all. In this video, we are going to know about comparison between half controlled and fully controlled rectifier for DC drive. We are going to know 7 differences between these two. Let us take power circuit diagram. Students should clear that single phase half controlled rectifier for DC drive, also called as semi converter for DC drive. Look at the circuit diagram. In semi-converter fed DC drive, freewheeling diode connected across RLE load, but in fully controlled rectifier fed DC drive, no freewheeling diode connected across DC motor load. While comparing power switches between these two circuit diagram, in single phase semi-converter, which is also called half controlled rectifier fed DC drive, two diodes and two SCRs are connected. But in fully controlled rectifier fed DC drive, full of SCRs, that is 4 SCRs are used. In quadrant operation, single phase semi-converter is also called as one quadrant converter. That quadrant is available in first quadrant. It is also called as forward motoring operation. Both output voltage and output current are in positive polarity. Fully controlled rectifier fed DC drive is also called as two quadrant converter. The two quadrants are first and fourth. Here, output current is positive, but output voltage is positive as well as negative. First quadrant name is forward motoring, fourth quadrant name is reverse braking. In control of DC output voltage, single phase semi-converter has limited control, fully controlled converter has wider control. If you take the equation for average output voltage for single phase semi-converter, V out is equal to Vm by pi into 1 plus cos alpha. For fully controlled rectifier, V out is equal to 2 Vm by pi cos alpha. While considering input power factor, it is high for single phase semi-converter, but it is low for single phase fully controlled rectifier. The reason for having high input power factor for single phase semi-converter is we are using freewheeling diode across RLE load. Due to this freewheeling action, the reactive power consumed by the semi-converter circuit is less. So, input power factor is high. But in single phase fully controlled rectifier, freewheeling action is missing. There is no freewheeling action. So, it consumes high reactive power. That leads low input power factor. While considering inversion mode, when the firing angle applied to the SCRs is greater than 90 degree, then the mode is called inversion mode. It is not possible in single phase semi-converter, but it is possible in single phase fully controlled rectifier. Inversion mode leads to braking operation in DC motor. At the time, motor converts mechanical energy into electrical energy that is fed back to the source. These are all 7 differences between half controlled rectifier for DC drive, which is also called as semi converter for DC drive, and fully controlled rectifier for DC drive. Thank you all.